I wonder what these can be. What's up everyone, it's Mark. I'm back with another video yet again about my never-ending quest for the perfect tech pouch because I apparently am addicted to them. So Wandrd just came out with their own tech pouch, and they actually came out with 3 of them. That obviously they have a small, medium, and large. These came out about 2 weeks ago. They range in price from about 20 bucks up to 50. You can get the set for a slight discount. I'll put the prices down below in the description. If you're familiar with Wandrd gear, it's a lot of the same materials used in bags like their Provoke. That has nice water-resistant sealed zippers, and you know this big one is it's pretty much competing with the Air cable kit and then the Peak Designs tech pouch. You know, these are pretty durable. It has a very nice coated material on it, so it's very scratch resistant. They also have these clips on the side, so it enables you to just clip into your Wandrd bags. Unfortunately, my Provoke bag is in my office, which I have not been to in over a year due to the pandemic, so I cannot show this clipped onto a bag. But you get the idea. So there's lots of things here. You know, they're basically doing the same thing that Peak Design did with this strap on the bottom, where it's meant for you to hold it so you can open it one-handed, hold on to it, and dig into it with your other hand. A little gimmicky, but it works. It makes it a nice little handle. There's straps. There's carry straps on either side. There's this handle, as I mentioned. And then, you know, the construction is like anything else from Wandrd. It's pretty sturdy. It's pretty burly. This material is very, very, very scratch resistant. It's very smooth. Nothing's going to catch on it on your bag. Inside, there's a lot of nice stretchy pockets on either side that are divided down the middle. This side we have 2 divided down the middle, and this side has 3 on the middle, and then little pen loops here. I'm going to go through all 3 of these in a little bit more detail on the floor and show you exactly what you can fit in both, or in all 3 of these, and the different sizes. So check it out. Okay, so here we are on the floor. I have the 3 different size pouches laid out. So we have the small, medium, and large. Now all 3 of them have that same weather-resistant coating. They have the weather-resistant zippers. And the small has these 2 little points here to use the clips from the larger one if you want to connect it to anything. There's a large hook on the zipper pull tab, and then of course it still has that same handle on the bottom of the tech pouch to pick it up with one hand. Now this one I just filled up so I can show you exactly what I have in this one. So opening it up, I have action camera, I have a DJI Osmo Action, or Pocket, whatever it's called. In these 2 stretchy pockets on the inside, I have, you know, an adapter and a cable. This pocket can fit, I have a Rode Video Micro in here with the cable, and then this larger stretch pocket on the other side has my phone in it. So there's a lot of room in this small one, so definitely do not let this size fool you. If I'm just running back and forth to the office and I just need essentials, this can hold everything, no problem. Next up, we have the medium pack in the middle. Now, like the larger pack, this has an exterior pocket, so there's a little bit of additional storage. You can see the height difference from the small one. So let me see what I have in here. I have my phone. I had to take it out of the case to make it fit, just in full transparency. So it wouldn't fit with my case and with my wallet on, so I took it off and it fits perfectly. This pocket, again, has the nice fleece lining so nothing gets scratched. It has the big long zipper pull that it can also double as a hook. And then going inside, so there's a lot of divided pockets in here, much like we would see on something like the Peak Design tech pouch. So it has this very cross-divided pocket setup where there's a larger pocket on this side where I have a very large battery bank. There's loops in here for cables. I have a larger charging brick. Again, I just put through an action camera in here to show you the size of some of these divided pockets. I have a larger adapter for my MacBook Pro, more charging blocks. So you get the idea. You can start to fit a lot of stuff in here. And just to get a closer look at the actual pockets, there's this one larger divided pocket with two pen or cable loops on this side. There's these two smaller kind of triangular pockets that are in here. And again, it's hard to see being black on black. Then there's three divided stretchy pockets on this side of the bag. And then of course, you have the grab handles on the outside, the two hooks to connect to the other Wandrd bags, and that phone pocket. Same handle on the bottom, handles on the top, water resistant finish. Both zippers are weather sealed. So definitely a very nice medium-sized tech pouch. You can fit a decent amount in this one. Let's get on to the large. Okay, now let's go over the large pack. Now, this, as I went over in the intro, it has the two grab handles on either side. It has the hooks to connect to your larger Wandrd bag. And then it has a very large exterior pocket. It has the same long zipper pull with that hook, a weather sealed zipper. And once you open it up, this pocket is massive. I have an iPhone 12 Pro in here with the Apple case and wallet, and I could probably fit a second phone in here. There's a ton of space in this front fleece line pocket, so nothing's gonna get scratched. Very nice. It can hold a lot, so any of you guys with those massive phones, it won't be a problem to fit in here. Again, you have a very large weather sealed zipper all the way around. When you open it up, I mean, this holds a lot. There's two stretchy pockets on this side where I have chargers, cables in these pockets. This in the center with the main massive opening, I have an action cam, a DJI Osmo action, a walkie-talkie, MacBook Pro adapter. And then on this side, there's three more stretchy pockets. For demonstration purposes, I have a large power bank in here, but this is about same size as most external hard drives. It's actually probably bigger than most external hard drives, just to show you that'll fit in there no problem. Again, I have a Rode Video Micro with the cable in this little pocket. So all of this and more will definitely fit in this tech pouch. It's, again, extremely well made. All three of these are. The price to get the three of these, the bundle of 120 or 130, I think is definitely worth it, especially if you travel a lot, if you do a lot of stuff for work, where you need to have a lot of tech supplies with you. It definitely makes sense to have these. I'm going to do a video basically comparing this to the Air and the Peak Designs, just to see, which one is the best of the best. But I mean, I think this like 3-bag setup is perfect for travel. You can have essentials in this little one. If you're doing a lot of like camera stuff, or you have a lot of different chargers, multiple computers, multiple phones, you can keep everything nice and organized. Even leave like one in, like if you have like a small day bag, bring this, leave one in your work bag, and then use this big one for travel. They're all pretty amazing. It just depends on what amount of gear you need to bring with you on a daily basis. So, this is pretty much getting the 3-piece set. There's one that's going to fit your needs. Check them out. Like I said, I think right now they might be sold out and only have the small available on the site, but I'm sure they're restocking as quickly as they can. I'm a big fan of these. I highly recommend checking them out. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please let me know.